Somebody else. My name's Wayne. Now I'm proud to present my friend
Here, your turn. Do it.
starring James Arnett as Matt Dillon.
She can't do it, she's laughing.